Caregiving Tips 101. What is the most common tip that is rarely shared but really needs to be spoken about? That would be taking care of yourself while you're caregiving. Many times, and this goes for parents, especially moms and dads, you need to also still make sure you're taking care of yourself as you're raising children. So today let's talk about being a caregiver while you're at home to either a special needs child or an aging parent. If it's a special needs child, that's going to bring in a lot of different things. That's going to bring in therapies, special diets, usually clothing, especially if it is autistic children. It's going to bring in school meetings, if they attend Head Start program to assist them. These are all things that are going to add into your daily lifestyle. Now, you also still have to keep your house going. You have to do yard work. You have to clean the house. You have to cook. You have to shop. You have to do laundry. As you see in just the first minute, all I took was sharing what has to be taken care of as a caregiver. Let's dive in and let's talk about how we make sure you are taking care of yourself. So, you're a caregiver and you're caring at home and you still have your house to run and other children. How can you take care of yourself? I have some tips for you. Tip number 1, wake up earlier. Wake up a half hour earlier. Either make yourself a cup of coffee, go sit outside, soak up the sun, just enjoy the fresh air, peace and quiet. Tip number 2, after everybody goes to bed, take a hot bath, light a candle, bring a glass of wine, whatever you choose to drink, and just relax. Relax yourself. Calm yourself down so you can also get a proper night's sleep. Tip number 3, many times, depending on the situation, if you're feeding your person that you're caring for because they no longer can feed themselves, you're not going to eat. So, you fed your person, they're now either sitting watching TV, or if they're to the point where they'd like to nap in the afternoon, now you must feed yourself. The trick of being a caregiver and not losing yourself throughout the journey is finding little pockets throughout the day to make sure you're taking care of yourself. Hence, getting up a half hour early. Hence, staying up later at night to take a nice hot Epsom salt bath. Making sure that you're getting food. That is important because as a caregiver, you tend to go and go and go and care for others, but you're letting yourself go, and 9 times out of 10, you're going to end up sick, you're going to end up exhausted, and now you're going to end up more stressed because who's going to take up the slack? How do you take care of yourself as a caregiver? Drop some tips. I'm always looking for new ways to share on how caregivers could take care of themselves. Everybody's different. Everybody has their own way of unwinding. What is your tip? Also, go ahead and click the link below and download the free download that I have. And there's some tips in there on how to take care of you. You have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.